This simple rule can turn $100 into hundreds of thousands. It's called compounding.
Compounding means your money earns money, and that money earns more money.
It's like a snowball rolling downhill, starting small but growing unstoppable over time. If you invest $100 a month from age 20, you don't just end up with $48,000. You could reach over $200,000 by age 60. The earlier you start, the bigger your snowball gets.
Compounding turns small, consistent actions into massive results over time.
Start today and let your money work for you. Follow for more 60-second investing lessons.